Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we are taking a closer look at a citrusy caffeinated blend of 6 ingredients to support workout results, improved hydration, and accelerated recovery. Let's explore the ingredients and benefits of organic Live Fit. Rich in antioxidants, especially catechins like EGCG, green tea helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which is crucial for muscle recovery and for strenuous exercise. Furthermore, green tea aids in hydration, an essential factor for overall physical performance and recovery. The presence of amino acids such as L-theanine in green tea promotes relaxation and can improve focus and mental clarity, contributing to a more productive and mindful exercise session. Ashwagandha boosts workout results by increasing muscle mass and strength and by enhancing muscle recovery due to its anti-inflammatory properties. This reduction in inflammation helps in alleviating muscle pain and speeding up the recovery process after intense workouts. Additionally, ashwagandha is known to improve cardiorespiratory endurance, enabling athletes to perform better during aerobic exercise such as running or cycling. Epimedium contains acarian, a natural compound that has been shown to support muscle synthesis and bone health, making it beneficial for those looking to improve their physical strength and endurance. The herb is also known for its antioxidant properties, which help combat oxidative stress incurred during intense physical activity. Additionally, epimedium supports joint health by promoting cartilage repair and maintaining joint flexibility, which is vital for high-impact exercises and for aging athletes. Lemon verbena is highly acclaimed for its anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce muscle damage and soreness after intense workouts. The herb also boasts antioxidant qualities that combat oxidative stress in the body. This is especially important during and after physical exertion as it helps prevent fatigue and maintains muscle health. Lemon peel is a powerhouse of nutrients and bioactive compounds that can significantly benefit workout performance and recovery. It is rich in vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that helps protect muscles from oxidative stress induced by exercise. This vitamin also plays a vital role in collagen synthesis. The flavonoids in lemon peel have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after intense physical activity. Rich in vitamin C, rose hips are excellent for bolstering the immune system, which is crucial for athletes who may be susceptible to illness. In addition to vitamin C, rose hips are packed with antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This is particularly important after strenuous exercise, as it can help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery times. Furthermore, rose hips may aid in weight management due to their content of pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can help regulate blood sugar levels and suppress appetite. For this week's recipe, we bring you Live Fit Berry Fizz, a fruity and refreshing twist on organic Live Fit tea. To begin this recipe, steep a couple teaspoons of organic Live Fit tea leaves for 2 to 4 minutes. While the tea cools, add some fresh muddled strawberries and ice to a glass with some honey for sweetener. Then fill about 3/4 of the glass with steeped tea, and fill the rest of the glass with some sparkling water. To finish it off, garnish with a strawberry or lemon wedge and give it a stir. Time to enjoy this deliciously refreshing summertime drink packed with health benefits. Thank you for joining us once again for another exciting edition of Tea of the Week. We're thrilled that you took the time to explore and learn about organic Live Fit tea with us. We look forward to sharing more tea discoveries with you in the weeks to come. Until then, stay warm, stay curious, and sip on.